Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I will show you how do you find your AirPod. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Alright, so first go ahead and open Find My app. Alright, so here it is going to show you a map and the last location of your AirPods. So if your AirPods are dead or it has no battery, you can check this last location that your AirPods was recorded. So if you are in a small area or if your AirPods is just within your proximity like your house or your classroom or in a restaurant, you can actually just play a sound and you can hear it and then you can locate your AirPods this way. Also, you can tap on directions and it is going to open a map and it is going to guide you to your AirPods location. You can just tap on go and follow the on-screen directions. Okay, so this is all for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.